Hi everyone, we're here at John Sanders Auto Repair, and we have a 2007 Dodge Magnum with a 3.5 liter. The transmission is slipping, it has a check engine light, the motor was making a lot of noise, a lot of rattling going on. So I checked the oil level and it's real black, it's at the bottom of the stick, so it's 2 quarts low and it's just jet black. So we have 2 quarts of oil to put in there. And it calls for 1030 weight, so we're going to use Castrol 1030 weight. And then I did an all system scan on the check engine light. We have 17 codes. So we have EGR codes. We have intake manifold, runner control codes. Incorrect gear ratio, that'd be the slipping transmission. So it's got a lot of different transmission codes. I'll check the transmission fluid and get it running. But the main purpose of the video here today is, before you're checking someone's car out, or when you're working on someone's vehicle, I always turn the key on, do that scanning, and I start looking at the fluids. And if I see that thing's real low on oil and the motor's knocking, it's a good idea to put some oil in there first to get the thing full of oil, try and get the motor to quiet down so it doesn't do more damage to it than it's already been done. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.